Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to fix a page URL in Wix. So here I am in my Wix website dashboard, and let's go to the website editor. So from here, we can just click Edit Site, and when we click on it, our website editor will automatically open in a new tab. I already have the tab open right here, and then here is my Wix website editor. So for example, what I want to do is that I want to duplicate the Our Mission page. So for example, I can just click the three dots right here and then click duplicate page. And then I want to do this because I want to make the duplicate page the vision page of the website. So I just want it to have the same template right here, and I will just change the text right here. And then that is okay. But what happens is that when we publish the website and then when we view our live website, so what will happen to the Our Vision page is that it will have its page URL different. So as you can see, when we go to the Our Vision page, the URL slug right here says copy of Our Mission. So we don't want to have this. So in order to fix this, we can just go back to our website editor and then open Pages and Menu. Go right here to your Our Vision page or to your duplicate page. Click the three dots, click SEO Basics, and then you should see the URL slug right here. So instead of saying copy of Our Mission, we can just say this is the Our Vision page. So just make it like that, and then when we go ahead and view the site again, so when we go to the Our Vision page, we should now have the URL slug be different. So to reflect the changes, we need to publish the changes first. So when we click publish, view our live website, and then go to Our Vision, as you can see, it is now 404 error. So we can go ahead, view the website, go to the Our Vision page, and it should now reflect our new URL slug. And as you can see, we are now in the Our Vision page, and then our page URL slug is now called Our Vision. And then that is it. That is how we can fix a page URL in Wix. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.